This is a 2002 Chevy 2500 Crew Cab Duramax Diesel. It is running. It's very windy, I apologize. One owner, fully serviced, rust-free Texas truck, 4x4 Crew Cab, LT with leather and heated seats. Tires are like new, fully serviced, needs absolutely nothing. Ranch hand front and rear bumpers. Sprayed bed liner. Super clean truck. Needs absolutely nothing. Leather seats. Rust-free Texas vehicle. Fully serviced, as I stated. One owner. Leather's in very good condition. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. 214,000 miles on a Duramax diesel, fully serviced. 4x4. Power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, power seats. No rips in the leather. Tow mirrors. So this is a 2002 Duramax Diesel 2500 4x4 Crew Cab LT with the Duramax Diesel, as I stated. Needs absolutely nothing, rust free, not a door ding on this truck. Super clean.